Hello viewers, welcome to another unboxing video. Like I have said in one of the previous videos, we have ordered some food supplements lately, and this is one of the packets. Let's open and see what's inside. So, this is Moringa Capsules. You might have heard of it a lot in the advertisements lately because it's becoming a big deal, kind of. It's a natural supplement. You know, the Moringa tree and the fruits of the trees are used in different cuisine in India. And this is a 60 capsule package. So you can see the supplement benefits here, contents of the supplement. And yeah, it's actually very good for your vital functions of your body. You can see it here. Yeah, so they claim it's organic, this is all natural and stuff, and it's leaf powder capsules. So they have taken the moringa leaves and they have extracted and made it into a powder. Yeah, hopefully it works. So that was the video for today, guys. We got Moringa capsules. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.